Welcome to Engineering Funda family. This video is a part of Microcontroller 8051 video lecture series, and in this video I'll be going to explain you rotate instructions of Microcontroller 8051. Here we are having two categories of rotation. One category is rotation of resistor without carry, and second category is there with rotation of resistor with carry. Here with carry and without carry both are having again two categories, rotate right and rotate left. I'll explain you all these categories along with examples so that you will be having fair enough idea about how we can use these instructions in programs. Let us see all those things step by step. So my dear students, here let me explain you first how we have rotate instructions without carry. Here for rotate right without carry we need to have syntax RR space A. So that will make rotate right accumulator without carry, and here we will be rotating this by 1 bit only. Here my dear students, for example, if you have accumulators contained 4, 6 hex and initially carry is equals to 1, then let me explain you how rotation will happen. So you see A is 4, 6 hex, so 4 means 0, 1, 0, 0 and 6 means 0, 1, 1, 0. So that is accumulator content, and this is carry, that is initially 1. Here my dear students, rotate right means what? We are deal with to rotate towards this side. So what will happen? You see the content which is available over here, that will go over here and it will come back in this rotation as well as it will go inside carry. So here we are rotating content of accumulator towards right side like this, and here my dear students we are modifying carry by LSB of accumulator, right. So what will happen? After execution of instruction you will be observing that this 0, now that 0 will come over here in carry you see, and this 0 that also come over here, right, you see. Now towards right side all the bits are getting rotated, you see. So you can observe this 0 is coming here, this 1 is coming here, this 0, 0, 0, that is how it is shifted by 1 bit towards right side, this 1 and this 1 that is getting shifted towards right side. So rotate right means what? This bit that will rotated over here and that will also go inside carry, and all the bits that will get shifted by 1 bit towards right side. So after execution carry will be 0 and accumulator will be, now you see 0, 0, 1, 0 means 2 and 0, 0, 1, 1 means 3. So 2, 3 hex that will be accumulator after RRA. Now my dear students, I'll explain you rotate left without carry. So for that you will have to write RL space A. So that will be performing rotate left of accumulator without carry, and that is happening by 1 bit only. Let us consider initially A is 4, 6 hex and carry is 1. So carry is 1 and 4 means 0, 1, 0, 0, 6 means 0, 1, 1, 0. That is our initial value is there. Now we are deal with to rotate left, means this side we are deal with to rotate about. So what will happen? Obviously this 0 that will go in carry as well as this 0 that will come over here in LSB of accumulator after execution of this instruction, and all these bits that will get shifted left by 1 bit. So after execution of instruction what will happen? You see this 0 that will go in carry as well as this 0 that will come here, right, and all these bits you see that is getting shifted left by 1 bit. So here rotation is happening. Why? The reason is you see this 0 that is coming here means rotation, and all these bits that is getting shifted left. So you see 0 is coming here, this 1 is coming here, this 1 is coming here, these zeros are coming here by 1 bit shifted left, and this 1 that is coming here. So after instruction execution this carry will be 0 and accumulator content that will become 1 0 0 means 8 and 1 1 0 0 means C. So you will be having accumulator that is 8C hex and carry will be 0. Now my dear students, I'll explain you rotate with carry instructions. So when you have rotate with carry instruction, syntax is RRC for rotate right with carry, and that is happening with accumulator only, and this will execute rotate right with 1 bit only. Let us consider initially A is 46x and carry is 1. So here carry is 1 and you see A is 46x means 4 means 0 1 0 0 and 6 means 0 1 1 0. Now what I need to do is I need to perform rotate right with carry. So right side we are a little bit to rotate about and with carry. So you see what will happen. When you perform rotate right with carry, you see now carry that will go over here and all these bits will get rotated like this, right? So along with carry rotation is happening. So after execution what will happen? This 1 will come here and this 0 LSB that will come here in carry, right? So when you execute this instruction, what will happen? You see this 0 that is coming here, right? And this 1 which is carry that is coming here, and all these bits are shifted right by 1 bit. So you see this 0 is coming here, 1 0 0 0 1 1, that is how it is getting shifted towards right side. So after execution of this instruction, carry will be 0 and you will be observing my accumulator is getting modified to 1 0 1 0 means it will be A, and 0 0 1 1 means it will be 3. So A will become A3 hex and carry will become 0 after RRCA. Now I'll explain you rotate left with carry. So RLC space A, that is how syntax is there, that will perform rotate left with carry by 1 bit. So let us consider initially A is 46x and carry is 1. Now here what I'll do is I'll execute RLC. So rotate left means in this direction we need to rotate. So what will happen? This 0 MSB of accumulator that will go inside carry, and this carry that will go over here, and all these bits that will get rotated left means in this direction by 1 bit. So what will happen? After execution you will be observing that this 0 will come here in carry, so carry will become 0. This 1 of carry that will go over here in LSB of accumulator, and all these bits those are getting shifted left by 1 bit. You see this 0 is coming here, 1 is coming here, this 1 is coming here, 0 0 0, and this 1 is getting shifted towards left side. So after execution of instruction, now you will be observing accumulator, that is 1000 means 8 and 1101 means it will be D. So 8D hex, that is accumulator, and carry becomes 0. So that is how rotate without carry and with carry is happening. Remember, this is happening with accumulator only. You cannot use this with RR, R1, RR, R7 like this. It is applicable to accumulator only, right? With 8051 you can have this with accumulator only. So this is how all these instructions are there in terms of rotate left and rotate right with carry and without carry. Still, if any confusion is there, what I want is you just post that in comment box so that we can have further discussion, and I would like to resolve all those queries which is there with my students. Thank you so much for watching this video.